my whole life. A new study said life in the clouds of Venus is unlikely. Scientists from Europe and the US say there's not enough water in the flanked clouds to support life as we know it. The team started studying the possibilities of life in Venus clouds after a surprise announcement in September of last year. At that time, a team of scientists said they used telescope to find evidence of the chemical phosphide in the thick clouds covering the planet. Phosphide is a poisonous gas, but on Earth it is only associated with life. The organizers of study and other experts agree that the presence of phosphides was not proof of life. Their findings, however, suggested that organisms could exist in the thick, sulfuric acid-filled clouds of Venus. But researchers of the recent study used observation from spacecraft. They found that the amount of water in the Venus atmosphere is more than 100 times too low to support life like Earth. John Howard is a microbiologist at Queen's University Belfast in Northern Ireland. He said the amount of water is very low and an unbreathable distance from that life requires to be active. His team studied the most dry tolerant and also the most acid tolerant microbes on Earth. The team then decided that the microbes could not survive on Venus. So let's did finding success. Venus is unlikely to have water-based organisms like ones on Earth. But the researchers identified another planet with enough water in its cloud and the right temperatures to support life, Jupiter. Now, I'm not suggesting there's life on Jupiter, and I'm not even suggesting life could be there. Howard told reporters, the team said it was not sure if the nutrients necessary for life existed in Jupiter's atmosphere. But still, it is a profound and exciting findings and totally unexpected, Howard said. Howard and other astrobiologists Chris McKay wrote about their finding in Nature Astronomy, published in late June. They said further studies will be needed to learn whether microbial life might exist deep in the clouds of Jupiter. As for Venus, 3 new spacecraft will be going there within the next 10 years. NASA is sending 2 spacecraft next year, and the European Space Agency is also sending 1. Howard and McKay do not believe the findings about Venus are likely to change. It is unfortunate because I'm very interested in searching for life on other worlds, and I would love to think that Venus is habitable, McKay said. The scientists who wrote the early study suggested there might be life in the cloud of Venus because they found evidence of phosphide gas on Earth. The gas is linked with life. Sarah Singer is an astrophysicist at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, and was part of the September team. She said, "We are not trying to post Venus as a definitely habitable world. So far, Venus is inhabitable." Singer added that she supports doing careful research in case there is life on Venus. Any life in Venus clouds, if it exists, might be totally unlike anything on Earth. It might have changed to be able to live in the planet's extremely hot and surface conditions. Scientists say, if there's life in the cloud of Venus, then it has to be life as we do not know it. As astrobiologist Nelson Peskovsky, who was lead singer at MIT, Peskovsky wonders, the question is how different that light can be. And Gregory Stachel,